naye obubaka bwa pulezidenti nnyo tujja kusaba Mukama nti omwoyo gw'omugenzi Mukama agulamuze kisa.
Kweyanziza honorable. Nange sina bingi byakwogera. Batuli mu kunyolwa mpungi. Naye neebaza batuuze bannange. Tubeererawo okuva ku bbande.
We are here in Katosi, we are at the family of one of the people who died in the Ifano in Chigogwa. But this one is even a more tricky situation and very, very sorrowful situation because the lady died with 2 of her children. But because of other traditional issues, now the lady will be buried at her ancestral home and the children will be buried in Luka. Here we are in Katosi, where the lady will be buried, but the children have been taken to Luka. So President Museveni sent us here to at least deliver his mabugo of 5 million shillings. So it's what I've just delivered. But as you are aware, Honorable Wuda Eleru is in Arua delivering condolence message of the President to the family of that person who was from Arua. And then Honorable Balam is in Masaka for the same. And Honorable Kaboyo is in Ruweru to deliver the message, condolence message of the President to 3 families. Today we have managed to deliver only 7 families,